Welcome back. Here is how to use PiggyVest alongside your primary commercial bank account to grow your money. First thing is to set up your account withdrawal destination. Go to your account settings and tap on my bank account. So on my bank account, you will add your commercial bank details. I already added mine, that is why it is not set up here. So you click on it on your page, and this ensures all withdrawals go straight back to your primary bank account. Secondly is to connect your debit card or transfer funds. So link your commercial bank debit card for automatic deduction, or copy your personalized Flex Naira virtual account number to transfer funds directly from your banking app. So keep your income in your main bank account, then also automate your core savings. Navigate to settings on your home page and select on Piggy Bank savings and select on Piggy Bank, and then be auto save. So you click on settings and you tap into auto save. Set it to automatically pull a specific percentage or fixed amount from your commercial bank right after payday. So move your emergency funds to your Flex Naira. So you transfer your short-term emergency funds into Flex Naira. Lock away money you shouldn't spend, and also withdraw back to your bank when needed. Whenever you reach your target date or face an emergency, initiate a withdrawal directly to your linked commercial bank account. So that's what you have to do. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.